Hey guys, and welcome back to Summers with Wade. Hi. So, as I promised in Monday's video, well, my previous video, this is what's in my art supply bag. Yeah, whatever. I have two main ones. They're both dachshund, I don't know, themed. Here's the first one I got. That's better. And then this is my second one. Oh, I didn't show the back of this one. The back of this one just has another one. Okay, I just spent like 5 minutes focusing it, so it's on my face. Okay, so like I was saying, I have two main ones, and I'm going to show you the first one I got, which was this one. If I can find them, I'll link them below because I bought neither of these. Okay, my mom bought both of them for me from a store that's run from her ex-boss. I'll put their link below. They used to have a physical store here in Puerto Rico, but now they're just an online store, so it's easier to buy it if you're international. I don't know if they ship internationally though. But anyways, this is it. I already showed you, and it's just like a nice canvasy material. And in here I have these Pentalic pencils. These are the Pentalic like drawing pencils, and yeah, it goes from all the way to 4H to 8B. Whoa, that's very zoomed in, and they're metallic, and I'm missing a couple pencils, but these have done me very good. I used these in my eyes in my previous video, and then I have the Pentalic 12 set of colored pencils. I want to get the 24 set because these are very nice, and I might compare these to Prismacolor. They're not as soft as Prismacolors though, and I have all of those here. Wait, let me rearrange. I don't know if they're in rainbow order, but they're organized. And I don't know if I showed you the back. Here's the back again. Then also in here I have my paintbrushes. Most of these are new, but there are some of my old ones sprinkled in. Wow, okay, that was very zoomed in. Okay, so now onto my second one. I asked for this one for my birthday, and I specifically wanted this one so that it could fit. I'll just show these. My Prismacolor sets. I have the 24 and the 36 set. I bought the 24 I bought it for myself as a art advancement present, and these I got for Christmas 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. And yeah, it's your standard Prismacolor ones. Pause if you want to read what it says. But these are very good. I want to try out the Faber-Castell Polychromos ones though, because I hear those are even better. And I know those aren't for beginners, and I am definitely a beginner, but I still want to try them out, and I'm still very zoomed in. But basically I wanted this one so that it could fit one of those in, and I'll show you how good it fits. I have some stuff in here, but fits. I don't know if it fits both of them at a time. Once I take everything out of here, I'll try. But I have a glue stick. Don't know why. I have a set of three blending stumps, miscellaneous Sharpie products. Okay, we're back after some technical difficulties. What I was saying was that I found one of. Do I have it wrong? I have it the wrong way. I don't know if that's in focus, but if it is, great. Different pencils. I have an extra Prismacolor, like a white Prismacolor. I had some Crayolas, and then these have erasers on them. So those are just like regular pencils. I got pens. I got a Micron that doesn't work. 2 black paper mates that I use for signing my artwork. A Sharpie pen. I have 2 jelly rolls that don't work. And I have a Uniball Signo, which is my favorite white gel pen. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell what it says. There you go. I have this high-tech C pen, which I didn't really like. Another Papermate pen. And then I have one of these that I want to see if I can find another set of these so I can do a video on them. They're like these like markers, but like let me get a swatch paper for you. Let me turn down this. You see that? That's so pretty, and that came out of this. I'm like very dark now. I've got some number 9 leads. I don't know if that's in focus. I have 2 of them, and I have this set of big lead, but it's only erasers, and my regular eraser. So time to see if both of them will fit. So let me like zoom out. Okay, zoom back in. You don't have to see that much. Okay. Oof, my hair is a mess, but whatever. Here's number 1 and number 2. I think I could even, wait, let me try. Here are my 2 other ones, and with everything still in, it fits and it keeps its shape very nicely. I'm pretty zoomed in, and I guess that works. But yeah. So now you know, you could probably fit 2 36 packs of Prismacolors in here. You can't fit the 48 pack, but because the 48 pack is like wider than these are. I really like these because they're very compact, but I get why they had to make it wider, because if you kept it like this, it would be like this big to fit all 170 something colors, I believe. Oh no. Okay, this is one downfall. They open like very easily. I don't know if it's because mine are damaged or anything, but yeah. I tried to go to the art store yesterday so I could get some like more materials and a new sketchbook, because I'll just show you. I'll put this back here where you kind of see it, but like not really. My Wade sketchbook number 6 is running pretty low on pages. Oh, it's hot in here. And I want to keep drawing pretty frequently because I have really enjoyed drawing. I don't draw daily, but I draw at least 6 times a week, but maybe sometimes I draw a lot in one day and some days I don't draw. That's not the point. This video is 10 minutes of footage because halfway through my SD card decided to get filled. Granted, I hadn't deleted anything since it's been a while, but yeah. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, do you like what I have in my art bags? Is it underwhelming? Is it not? I don't know. But also, my desk. I already did that. My bookcase tour will probably be coming out next week, and I was going to attempt to film me using my acrylics for the first time today, but I filmed this because this was supposed to be filmed yesterday. It's a whole. So I'm just probably gonna do another either watercolor or Prismacolor drawing for this Friday. So if you wanna watch that, like, come back on Friday, you know. So remember that I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.